Hello traders, in this video I am going to journal my trade review in Funding Pip account which I am having a 5k account. So in this journey I am going to track record the trade which I am going to take in my funded account. So I will be track recording the trade which I have taken in this funded account. So this is my first trade. So every day which I am taking in this account I will be uploading in this YouTube video by how can I clear this funded account. So the final thing I lost for $34 here in this trade. So I take 0.01 log. I entered here. I entered for short, but market come back to my stop loss. My initial stop loss was here. After that, I can break down into this level. So I went for minus $34. So I am going to track record the trade which I am going to take in this funded account. So I'll be track recording every detail and how we can clear this funded account. So it's very easy guys how we can see. The profit target is $300. So we can see here profit target is $300. So now I am minus for $34. So I am in $266. So let's go to next slide. So the trade which I am entered here is right here. So after inversion XCG, this is the London high. After sweeping this, I will be getting SMT. So I will be entering this into a IFEG. The reason why because the 730, 930 opens here. You can see here. After 930, I entered here. I think market to distribution in bearish, but market went for bullish. So we can see for SMT, the SMT area in ES it's showing the bearish sign. In ES it is showing bearish sign. So I expect US 100 to bearish, but the bias or the market PA price action is very worst. So the market I did not able to take any trade. So I have taken one trade in US 100, which is the NASDAQ mimic pair. So, so the best thing I have done in this trade, trailing my stop loss below this. If I don't trail my stop loss below this, I'll be losing something like $60 here. So that's the first thing I done here. So I'm happy for that. So the risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 2. Buy side liquidity above 1 hour FEG, this is 1 hour FEG, and SMT with silver which I have shown there, and IFEG under. IFEG under, I forgot to mention that. If you have a doubt in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Guys. This is the trade breakdown. So I think I will be simplifying uploading this. If you have a doubt, you can ask me in this video comment section. Okay, bye traders. Bye.